Mr. X2S. It was super fun. Saw all the Ferraris, but could not touch anything. Now this is the real thing. My friend just got a Ferrari, and I'm finally sitting inside one, not just looking. I cannot drive, but honestly, I don't need to. She is taking me for a ride, and that's more than enough. From Ferrari World to a real Ferrari. Seatbelt on and ready? Let's go! Watching. We travel a lot, and along the way we feed homeless cats. That's just what we do. If you ever want to help, $1 goes a long way. Buy small meal for a cat on the street. Link in the description. No press at all, just by watching the video to the end. That helps a lot. Thank you again. See you in the next one.